Now, you practice that exercise with a partner. Each of you gets to be the teacher. Make sure you practice enough to maintain a brisk pace, even when you look away from the script to monitor your student. When you are the student, don't make any errors. Have fun! As you teach direct instruction programs, you'll find that formats that introduce new skills or concepts have two basic parts. In the first part, the teacher usually explains the concept or shows the student, models, how the skill works. In the latter part of the format, the teacher usually requires the student to respond. During the first part of these formats, the model steps, you'll need to follow the script carefully. The wording was carefully designed and field tested to explain and demonstrate skills and concepts clearly and efficiently. During the latter part of the format, you will be giving the students practice in applying the skills you've introduced. The procedures you use to elicit responses are consistent from step to step. With a little practice, it will be easy to memorize these steps. So instead of reading the script, you can concentrate on monitoring the students, watching their eyes and mouths, and listening for errors, and then interacting with corrective or reinforcing feedback. In a few minutes, you're going to practice presenting the whole introductory format for Say the Sounds on page 19 in the Reading Mastery 1 Teacher's Guide, or the actual Lesson 6, Task 11, from the Reading Mastery 1 Teacher Presentation Book A. But first, you should read it over and pay very careful attention to what you're going to say and do during each part. Note that during the model step, which is step A, you show students how to respond. They watch and listen while you say the words slowly and signal for yourself, like this. Listen, me. But remember, you don't signal during the lead step, step B, until you want the students to respond with you after you say the word slowly and say, get ready, like this. Take a deep breath and we'll say, me. Get ready, me. Again, during the test step, step C, you do not signal while you're saying the words slowly. You just are telling them what to do. Also remember that during the test steps, don't respond with your students. This is supposed to be a test. They should respond without you after you say get ready, like this. Say, me, get ready. Finally, remember that during both lead and test steps, you will have to look up from the script to monitor and interact with children. Now, just read and study the format. Don't practice yet. Now here's the time to use all the techniques we've practiced and discussed so far. Practice in a group of 3 or 4. Each person gets to be the teacher twice. The first time through the exercise, the students shouldn't make any errors. Then each teacher gets a chance to do the whole Say the Sounds exercise with corrections, firming, and individual turns.